how to export contacts from Yahoo Mail. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Quick Guide. Today I'm here again with a quick and easy tutorial on how to export contacts from Yahoo Mail. Firstly, open your web browser and go to the Yahoo Mail website. Make sure that you logged in into your Yahoo Mail account. Go to the inbox of your Yahoo Mail account and tap on the contacts like icon as shown by the arrow. And in here you can see your contacts that you are going to export. Click on the three dots and in the drop down menu you can see the different options. From the different options, click on the export to CSV file option. After that, the message your export will start shortly will be pop up on your screen. And after the completion of the export, you might need to confirm your action and choose a location to save the exported file. I hope you understood this video. Don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe for more informative contents. We'll see you on next one. Till then, stay tuned. Bye-bye.